when the ground is shaking under me, and the waves come with fierce might. I won't sink and I won't surrender. My faith is in Christ, my light. I'm standing firm upon the rock, strong in promises that never break. Christ is my peace, my guiding way, my foundation, my song each day.